Hello! In this video, you are going to learn how to connect Chatbot with advertisement. First, choose the page that you want to set up. Click on Manage. Go to Facebook Ads menu. Click on Add Account. Then click on Login with Facebook. Connect your ad account. Save. Choose the campaign that you want to use this function with. This is the response message box, so you can set up the response message when customers click ads. There are 4 types of message that you can set up. First is text, second is item list, third is item info, and fourth is welcome message. For the text, you can send any message, any text to your customers. For the item list, the item list that you have set up in Kaojao will be shown to the customers. For the item info, you can send message or any promotions to inform customers, or for example, item details. For the welcome message, this will send welcome message that you set up in the initial setup to the customers. For example, I will choose item list, so the item list will be shown to the customers. Once you choose, you click send to messenger, and then you go back to Facebook on messengers, and this is the item list. When the customers click on this ad, the item list will be shown to the customers.